some people are buying out of depression. After work, okay, let me go and relax in Lagos. Lagos is best place to live. Like people that have the ideology like you, that the best place to live in is in Lagos, the best place to invest in Lagos. Lagos is not a best place to invest only. Investment is all about what you want to invest on. Somebody who want to go into invest into agriculture, are you going to invest in Lagos State? Okoko. Where is the land that you want to cultivate in Lagos? And the best place to invest is in Lagos. Is everything that any business you want to have, you invest in Lagos State. Somebody who wants to have a very big farmland, like poultry farm and all that, you can't the best place to do that is not in Lagos State. If you want people that want to invest on something, maybe let me say sports, you can say okay, Lagos, depending on the kind of sports. Okay, not every sports. So there are things that you can invest on in that you say okay, Lagos is good for that, but not. It is wrong for you to come here to say no, Lagos is the best place to invest in Nigeria. After investing that, they will pull it down. You start again.
When urbanization comes in, demolition is inevitable. Nobody should deceive you. The Igbos are not being targeted in Lagos. When you have more properties, there's that likelihood that you will have more victims. The Igbos are not the target. Demolition is happening everywhere. People are crying everywhere. It is only unfortunate that you are one of the victims. It happened in Abuja. A lot of people cried, some died, but some benefited from it. The only thing you will do is to reposition yourself to see how you can benefit for whatever is in future.
Some benefited from it because they happen to have, they are opportune to gain from it. So what are you talking about?
Do not let this thing demoralize you. Do not let
this place. Look at this. People are homeless. Opening right now in Asaba, Delta State. Okay, this one is in Delta State. Demolition of houses, but this house may be a land that have been, maybe the land, they may have land dispute, like the one we witnessed in Enugu a few months ago, Centenary Estate, where people that own the land are having issue with the government of the state. After the state, if a governor will say, give the land to real estate developers and they sell it out, and the people that own the land will just keep quiet. Once that governor finish his tenure, the people will go and demolish those houses that individual build. They are going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So indigenous people cannot just give their land out easily like that. Go and check your history. Once you do that as a governor, people that will suffer is those ones who don't know and they waste their money in the name they want to buy it. After buying it, people will go there to destroy it.
If anybody steal your emotion, ndị Bini, ndị Edo State, far people used to actually with you, steal the emotion of ndị Igbo. These people are not really sympathizing with you. They are only mocking you. They want to have views by stealing the emotion of ndị Igbo.
I agree with you. Edo people are good at that. I agree totally. They are good. I believe you. But they're not saying it to sympathize with you. They are making money out of it. That one is true. But you don't need to lie for you to get back at the Edo people. So whether the issue of what is going on in Lagos State, whether it is normal thing, it is not normal. Please, don't, that one I cannot agree with you on that.
You must resist that. No ethnic group in Nigeria love Igbos like the Yorubas.
So that is the man claiming that he knows everything. But the truth of the matter is that he is lying with everything in him.